Happy Friday, everybody. Okay, I want you to picture something. You're working less, you're earning more, but it kind of sounds too good to be true, right? I used to think so too. But I remember scrolling past all those rich quick schemes and thinking, yeah, I wasn't gonna fall for that. But what if it really isn't a fantasy? So I'm gonna fast forward to today. I'm here and I'm living proof that it's not only just possible, but it's actually happening. So I'm working less, I'm earning more, and I never really thought I'd be the person to say that. You want to know how it's working for me? There's no gimmicks, just really real results. Just follow and comment more so you can get more details. What's the worst that could happen? You might just find a better way. Hey, you guys all have a great weekend. Bye.